How to change country in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the country. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now here on the right top, you can see this flag. Simply tap on this flag. So this is the section where you can change your region or country. So simply tap on it, and here there are the regions or countries that you can select from. So there are some limited countries that you can select. So here I'm tapping on one, and at last simply tap on done, and the country or the region will be saved. So the whole interface has been changed, and now the suggestion will be also like that too. Now simply tap on accept, and all is ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.